When I tell you I love this phone. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I told y'all it was coming back to back to back. Y'all thought I was playing. So y'all, when I tell y'all I love this phone, like hands down, right now, best phone I've ever had. Like everything I get to do with this phone is so amazing. So if you guys are ready to get into this video, how about hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to keep up with all my future videos. I'm glad to see that you guys are all loving my unboxing video. Thank you guys so much. I've been loving talking to you guys. So let's cut all the chitter chatter. Let's actually get into this phone, y'all, because chef's kiss. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so let's get into the phone. So before we get into the phone, I will say this now. If you guys are looking for any super tech savvy stuff on this phone, I'm not it. I'm just showing you guys what I have on my phone, how I customize my phone, what I use my phone for. So if I don't touch base on everything in this video, I'm so sorry, but I'm just showing you guys what I like. So keep that fully in mind. Now, also, what I want to touch bases on with this phone is that I love how easy it was to customize everything. Like, when I tell you, I have not put this phone down since I got it because I'm always discovering new things about it. And if I find any more things, I will come back and do another what's on my phone. But y'all, literally love it. So let me go ahead and attach this. Let's do it, and I'm gonna have it right here so you guys can see it. Okay, so as you guys can see, let me just scoot over so you guys can get it a little more. This is my home screen, and y'all, the whole theme of my phone is if you grew up in the 90s or coming into the early 2000s, I know y'all remember MySpace, and this was the whole entire theme of my phone, which was MySpace. I used to love MySpace. That was my zhuzh. Like MySpace, like before there was a Facebook, there was a MySpace. So that's how I came up with the concept to design my phone. Now, as you guys can see, normally I would do a Galaxy theme from the app, but no, I decided I want to use myself because why? It's my phone. And also, I got to add pictures of my sisters and as well as my best friend at the bottom. So if you see the little video going back and forth, it's just a slide of both of my sisters. And then I have my best friend on the side. So I was like, okay, it's giving. It's giving. And then I have my calendar as well as my alarm that I have switched over here. And one thing I like about this phone, you can create your own stack. So if you don't want to have all 10,000 of the apps you use on one screen, you can use this and you can literally slide. So it can still look clean and organized, but you don't have to do all that extra work. So as you guys can see on my home screen, I do have, you know, my contacts, my messages, my messenger, my chase, Chrome, camera, gallery, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Gmail, calendar, Lyft, Shazam, calculator, phone, voicemail, maps, and Play Store and setting. Now, as you guys can see, some of my icons are customized and I got those from GoodLock, and I will touch on that. And then some of the apps is just like regular. I guess they only give you on GoodLock only 12 apps that you can use and customize. I wish they would give you more of that option. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But, you know, who really cares? Because some of the apps that are not customized I rarely ever use, so I'm not really tripping. I just need it because I'll be bored at work. But this is how you could customize it. It's completely up to you of how you want to use it. So let's slide over. So did any of my 90s, early 2000 babies have an iPod? I didn't. I only had the iPod Nano. So I was like, what better way to relive some of my childhood and have it on my phone? And one thing I like about this, and this is part of that app that I'm going to show you guys is that you can change the color, you can have it linked to YouTube, your music or whatever, and you don't have to necessarily be on that app. You can just press and go. So I will be showing you guys that in a minute. So let's go down these other apps so I can get to the phone design app. So I do have my payments, so basically how I pay my bills, my work stuff, things I need to take care of, you know, adult life. Then I have my shopping, which is my shopping addiction. That's how y'all get phone cases. And I do have my movies while I'm at work. I do have my food apps because your girl does not always like to cook. I know. I do have my vlog editing. This is how I edit my videos. This is how I do some of my content on Instagram that you guys like to watch. I do have my Instax printer because I have those printers over there. I do have my Polaroid app because I have Polaroid cameras. And then I have my phone design. And this is where we get to the heart of the phone. So within my phone design, I do have the Wonderland app, the Good Lock app, which everybody's been talking about on YouTube. I do have the Month app, and that is for you to really like customize your calendar on your phone. I have not got the opportunity to use it because, like I said, I made it kind of how I want to on my first slide. So I really don't see the point of using it, but if I do change my phone, I will tell you guys my experience about it. My Wedge app is how I did get the iPod on there and how I did certain other things. Now the icon changer, let's go into here so I can just give you guys a quick of how my phone is designed. Let's go here. So as you can see, if you guys don't want to use your own picture or whatever, you guys do get the option on the icon changer to like really customize it how you see fit. Now, they're cute, but I think they wasn't really, I didn't see nothing that really stood out. So I didn't think it was really necessary. The next one is the icons. Now this is what I did use. I used, let me go down to it. It's gonna take a second. But as you can see, you can use different icon pictures to do whatever you want to, and then you match whatever app that you have on your phone to what picture so you can know basically what it is. So, and then like I said, it only offers you 12. So whatever 12 main ones you use, that's the ones you better sync to that picture. Now the wedge is, this is where I could have done some other stuff, but like I said, I want to keep it clean, keep it like MySpace. But you do get the option to put like different pictures, different quotes. If you're into quotes, I'm into them. I just didn't need it for my phone. But you have that option for ours, the calendar. You can do different stuff. Like I like this icon changer app because it gives you that real girly effect or whatever, however you choose to customize. Now the date, I didn't use this really. Nothing was speaking to me, but like I said, if you choose to customize, that's your choice. You do have time, so however you want to, change the time on your phone, you can do that. Didn't see the point. And then the clock. It's real girly. Like you can do some stuff on this app, so I really do like that. So the next app, now this is the stuff that I actually used of how I customized my phone. With Good Lock, it offers you different things to where you can change your keyboard, you can change your wallpaper, you can do your clock, you can do different things with your S Pen. I don't use the S Pen, but it is offered to you. So what I downloaded was Theme Park, Wonderland, Lockstar, Clock Face, Edge Lighting, and the Edge Lighting is basically you can customize your notifications like Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, text messages, whatever, and whatever icon it is what however is going to go across your phone. So if you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about, but I will show you. Let's go for the edge lighting first, just so you guys can get a gist of what I'm talking about. Let's let it load. So as you can see here, it's just set customize style. I got all those swiped, but the style by keyword, as you can see, I have my dad, my mom, my sisters, and then work. So for work, let me just show you guys. So you can use different icons to make it go across your phone, and this is going to display even on your lock screen. Now we all know we all don't like to work, so that's why I have the caution symbol, because this is really what comes up when my job calls me. I'm not answering, so don't try to get me. But this is some of the things that you can do to customize your phone and make it, how you want. So I do appreciate that part about it. Clock face is basically what I use to customize like the clock that I use on my home screen. Let me go back. So basically face is where you could choose like different pictures or however you want it to come up on your phone. That's your choice. I did a customized one, so I kind of did it through the settings. But yeah, and then it gives you like if you have like a Galaxy watch and you want to match it to your phone, you could do that too. So I used it, but I really didn't use it like that. As far as the lock screen, like display, basically however or whatever you want to show on your lock screen while your phone's off, this is what that's for. Wonderland is how I did my wallpaper. Now, as you see, it's like create your own wall, and this is how, let me go to Edent. This is everything I use to make my wallpaper look the way it is. They have the little XOXO, they have some hearts, you can do it up. I wish they did offer you to put more videos on your phone. They'll let you have however many unlimited pictures you want to put on here, but as far as videos, you only get one. So choose really wisely of how you use it. And then you're only getting like 10 seconds on the video. So try to cram everything in 10 seconds. But I do like how you're able to go as far as you want to go. Let me go back here. And then I was going to do the little one, you know, the Alice in Wonderland. But then I'm like, I kind of already did that with my old phone. But whatever. And you can do the same with your lock screen. Theme Park is basically how I customized my keyboard. This is the only thing I really used it for. You can do other things, but this is just what I used it for. So as you can see here, I do have a picture of me and my beautiful mommy. I love her. May she forever rest in peace. I customized it that way because I was like, wow, you can do pictures on your keyboard and you can do color. So this purple color you see is when every time I tap a key, that's the color you're going to get. And I like that it also kind of goes to whatever vibe you have on your phone. That's kind of color like palette they'll give you. So I use the more lighter purple so you can be able to see it a lot more, and then you can customize like how the little boxes are for each letter. So I thought that was super, super dope. Let me get out of here. So that's basically what I use far as the main front. Now Widget is an app where you are still customizing your wallpaper. So the clocks, I did use this, but I didn't like the only part I didn't like with this part as far as the clocks, they give you like these type of styles. They don't just give you to where it could just be like, oh, just 11:02, or no, you gonna have to play with that to get that. So I'm just giving y'all heads up. The player is where the little iPod, how I got that, or you can use this type of MP3 player wedge, or you can keep it cute and have a picture, however you want to do it down here. The calendar, I use this one, and then I just took they have these, but then they give you like just the calendar by itself, or they'll just give you the date. So I chose to do the date, and I just moved the color kind of closer to my wallpaper. Device info is like basically all your storage, your memory, whatever. If you want to put that on your phone, I don't do it because what the hell, I'm not going to look at it. And then photos, so if you want to add custom photos, however size or whatever, you can do that and do it up. So they have some pretty dope ways how you can really personalize your phone to your needs. Now also what I do like about this phone is how loud it gets. Now if I play something, I'm trying not to get copyright, so let me go to YouTube and let me just put on non-copyright music so we don't get flagged, because we all know that can go left real quick. So let's go here.
Not to be dramatic, but my life would.
You see how loud it is just right now?
GoPuff. Anytime I need something, I order it on GoPuff and it arrives in.
Like, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but it gets loud. And then one thing I like is, you see how it's playing on my, isn't that cute? I love this phone. You think I'm playing, and then the phone is very sensitive, so if they're thinking if I'm trying to like edit it, I'm not. But you can keep it however you want to. This is your playground. So I thought that was super, super dope. Now let's get into the actual camera, because I know my selfie girls love the camera. Y'all see that? I could have really filmed this video just off the camera alone. Like, it's so crisp. It's like, it's crazy how crisp it is. And I feel like sometimes it gives you like a little extra filter. Like, I enjoy it. So we do have, you know, portrait, photo, video, whatever. Let's go to the video. So if I even turn it to the side, I really don't see no difference from my camera from here. I don't see a difference at all. I love the camera. But yeah, I'm probably going to shoot a vlog on here just so y'all can see how good the video actually is, and then, you know, whatever. Oh, but actually, did I? No, I did. So my parents are getting remarried, and my mom was like, don't make it obvious, but we was trying to film the haul, but the people were in there. But as you guys can see, look how clean and crisp that video is. And when I was even moving around as far as the motion, it was so smooth. So just imagine what my vlogs could essentially start looking like. So I thought that was freaking amazing. So if you're into the phone just for the camera, I do recommend getting it. Like, you don't even need to buy a vlog camera to buy your phone and set up and you go about your day. So I thought that was pretty cool. The next thing that I thought was kind of super dope. Let me see, where is it at? I was looking for that app. Let me see. No, I think it was in my settings. So for themes, one thing I did like is the many different wallpaper options that they gave. And y'all always used to ask me, Simone, where did you get your wallpapers from? It's right here. This is it. This is all I did. And I just typed in keywords that I know of the things I like, and this is how I got them. So I like that you could just get straight to the point. And they have some pretty cute wallpapers on here. So I did want to show you guys that. Let's see. Is there anything else I wanted to show you guys? Because I really don't do too much on my phone. But I could play a movie on here. I don't think I should get copyright. Let me see. No, I don't think they're going to do it off that one. So, because I know certain apps don't allow you to, let me wait. I hate YouTube with all these dang apps. But, y'all, look at the resolution. Just, I feel like I'm trying not to play the sound, but do you guys see how pretty and movie-like that display is? And it's a 6.8. Like, do you not know how many movies your girl is about to watch is the thing? Like, oh, you guys see it? Oh, thank God, it was something finally came up. But when the Snapchat notification just come up, you saw the little hearts. You can do that also for your notifications. Like, you can pick off edge lighting. When you get notified, it's going to light up your whole entire phone, and then you can pick whatever like you want to use as far as your notifications. So that was what I was basically talking about. But yeah, that's basically everything really I wanted to show you guys. I don't do too much on my phone. I'm really using it for like movies, social media, and having a conversation. So I really don't use it like how other people use it. But that's all that I have to show. So I do hope you guys did enjoy that. And if you have any questions or how I did certain things on my phone, please, you know, the comment section is, no question is stupid. No question will not get answered. If I get to see it in time, I do work. So keep in mind, so if I don't hit you back that exact day, I'm at work. And the signal there is kind of shitty. So, but if I see it, you will get an answer from me. But like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I will answer any questions. So yeah. So as you guys know, the next video is the phone case video. So you know I'm super excited to show that, right? And I had 2 cases just come in today. So I'm so ready for these last 4 to come on. Time is ticking. I noticed a lot of vendors are coming from China, but that's fine. But I'm just like, I'm ready to film this because I want to keep this going for y'all, and I'm trying to keep my word to you guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications because I'm telling you, y'all don't want to miss out on these phone case videos because I'm super excited to show them. So I love you guys. Thank you guys again. See you guys later.